Thomre sir from Sholapur. Now with you with a special purpose and a special lesson for the students of 10th standard, and the name of the lesson is an encounter of a special kind. In my previous videos, I covered all the chit chat activities, and now in this video, I am going to cover all the objective things, important points, major things of the lesson, an encounter of a special kind. Student, this is a story. This is a story, and the story is written by famous Bengali writer Tapan Mukherjee. ही एक स्टोरी आहे आणि प्रसिद्ध अशा बेंगॉली रायटर तपन मुखर्जीने ही स्टोरी लिहिलेली आहे. स्टुडंट्स, द स्टोरी टेल्स अस अ स्ट्रॉंग रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मॅन अँड ॲनिमल. याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला मॅन आणि ॲनिमल मध्ये कसं स्ट्रॉंग रिलेशनशिप आहे, हाऊ वी शुड मेंटेन this relationship between the man and animal forever. On another side, everyone should know the importance of animals in environment, in nature, and it is the duty of each and everyone to protect them, to take care of them. So this story tells us the strong relationship between man and the animal. Students, all of we know that animals cannot use the words for communication like us. आपल्यासारखे प्राणी कम्युनिकेशन साठी वर्ड्स यूज करू शकत नाहीत. But we can show trust, we can show sympathy and kindness through our action. पण आपल्या ऍक्शन मधून आपण ट्रस्ट, सिम्पॅथी, काइंडनेस दाखवू शकतो. So the narrator or the writer shared one of the remarkable incidents when he was just 15 years old. And at that time, when writer was 15 years old, he had an encounter. He came across of a special kind with animal, and the name of that animal was langur. The name of that animal was langur. So, in the first paragraph, what information is given? पहिल्या पॅराग्राफ मध्ये इन्फॉर्मेशन काय दिलेली आहे? स्टुडंट्स, वॉच द व्हिडिओ टिल द एंड. व्हिडिओ संपूर्ण पहा. यू विल अंडरस्टँड द होल लेसन. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सबस्क्राइब माय यूट्यूब चॅनल. डोंट फॉरगेट. So the first paragraph, what information is given in the first paragraph? My father means writer's father. So writer's father was working in medical field. He was working in a private company, not government company. His company was in the West Bengal state, in Raniganj district. And all the officers of the company were living in the same campus. They had individual bungalows, and the writer's house was in a corner of the campus. अँड इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग, महत्वाची गोष्ट बघा, द ऑफिसर्स क्लब वॉज नियर. द ऑफिसर्स क्लब वॉज नियर टू द बाउंड्री वॉल ऑफ देअर गार्डन. त्यांच्या अगदी गार्डनच्या बाउंड्री वॉल जवळ ऑफिसर क्लब होता. अँड the compound, the area was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and a host of tall and majestic trees. An important thing, the seasonal vegetables in the kitchen garden of the household and very huge trees constantly attracted squirrels and many species of birds. So squirrels attracted there, many species were attracted there because of the magnificent trees, seasonal vegetables in the kitchen garden. So in them, a group of langur had made their home in an aswatha tree nearby. And writer says that the squirrels, the birds, group of langur, all those had become an important or integral part of their daily life. Part and parcel. Integral, important. What is given in the next paragraph, second paragraph? Let us see second paragraph. What information is given in the second paragraph? The second paragraph tells us that this is a story. What happened on a Saturday afternoon? A small incident happened, but that incident left a deep effect on writer's mind. It revealed a new factor to the wonders of God's creations. सॅटरडे आफ्टरनून एक घटना घडली, आजही त्याच्या डोळ्यासमोर ती घटना आहे. गॉड्स क्रिएशन. It was the Puja vacation in West Bengal. Like other child, writer got an opportunity to become busy, engrossed, occupied in various magazines, storybooks, and surely those magazines and storybooks were specially published for the children in the festival season, in the festive season. So second paragraph tells us that incident happened on Saturday. It was Puja vacation. Writer was busy in reading magazines and storybooks, and those magazines and storybooks were specially published for the children in festival season. So this is the part in first two paragraphs. Move on. Students, third paragraph. What is given in the third paragraph? तिसऱ्या पॅराग्राफची इन्फॉर्मेशन आपण पाहूया. So they took a wholesome or sufficient dinner in the afternoon, and after the lunch, writer's parents and younger sisters, they were taking a nap. They were taking a small sleep. And writer started reading a storybook. So his parents and younger sister were laying down in an afternoon nap, and writer was busy in reading a storybook. It was quite afternoon, It was the perfect situation for reading an adventure story. दुपारची शांत पूर्ण शांतता आणि ॲडव्हेंचर स्टोरी वाचण्यासाठी perfect background. But sometimes what was happening? Sometimes that silence was broken by, disturbed by some things. Which were those things? शांततेचा अधूनमधून भंग व्हायचा. And the silence was occasionally broken by 4 things. Number 1, the sound of their family snoring. Groaning means grunting. Then intermittent chirping of house sparrows. Then number 3, harsh cawing of crows. And number 4, shrill call of a kite flying. So because of these 4 things, the silence was occasionally broken. शांततेचा अधूनमधून भंग होत होता. So after some time, writer was completely busy in reading a story book. So what information do we get in paragraph number 3? Writer's parents and sister were taking an afternoon nap. Writer was busy in reading story book. It was a perfect situation for reading adventure story. The silence was broken by 4 things: family snoring, intermittent chirping of house sparrows, harsh cawing of crows, and shrill call of a kite flying. These 4 things are very important. Now let's move on paragraph number 4. Let's move on paragraph number 4. So what happened at that time? Suddenly the writer heard a group of street dogs barking furiously in the distance. लेखकाने काही अंतरावर त्यांना स्ट्रीट डॉग्स बार्किंगचा आवाज ऐकू आला. In the beginning, writer decided to ignore the commotion. The sound. त्यांनी सुरुवातीला दुर्लक्ष करायचं ठरवलं. But writer thought that the pack of might have cornered a hapless pig, unfortunate pig. And after some time, that barking became louder and louder, more aggressive. And what added to the cacophony, what added to the loud harsh noise, the cawing of a flock of crows added to the cacophony. A writer thought that the disturbance was approaching closer. He heard the disturbance was approaching closer. That's why curiosity increased. त्याच्या मनात जिज्ञासूवृत्ती निर्माण झाली. And he left his book aside, rushed to the veranda to see what was happening. So curiosity was there in his mind. That's why he left the book aside, rushed to the veranda to see what was happening outside. बाहेर काय चाललेलं आहे याकरता तो धावला. So I'm going to cover up the first part of explanation now. Students, up to what we learn, the factual things from first 4 paragraphs. The narrator's father used to work in a medical company. It was a private job at Raniganj in West Bengal. The officers of the company lived in individual bungalows. The bungalows were in a large campus. And writer's house was in a corner of the same campus. There was a clubhouse near the boundary wall of their garden. The whole colony was full of tall and majestic trees. The big and thick trees attracted squirrels and many species of birds there. And among them, a group of langurs had made their home, their shelter, in an aswatha tree which was in that colony. And at that time, the narrator was enjoying the puja vacation. It was a Saturday. And after the lunch, his parents and younger sisters, they were taking rest, naps, small sleep. His family members lay down for an afternoon nap and he started to read a storybook. The narrator was completely busy, deeply engaged in reading the book. Suddenly, what happened? The narrator heard the barking of dogs. लेखकाने dogs barking चा आवाज ऐकला. He thought that the dogs might have attacked the pig. त्याला असं वाटलं की dogs ने pig वर हल्ला केला असेल. So after that he also heard the cawing of crows. And narrator was completely disturbed by those sounds. That's why he left the book aside and went into the balcony. And he saw something different or horrible thing. So students, I'm going to finish the first part of the lesson, encounter of a special kind. So in the next part, I will cover the remaining part. Thank you so much.